the aquatic sanctuary. Hidden within the cellular structure of the lotus lies the world's most elusive fiber, sensory navigation. Total manual immersion into the subaquatic terrain to select the prime raw material, the biological vessel. Each stem contains a finite amount of microscopic cellulose filaments. The primary cut, a precise manual strike to harvest the stem without crushing the internal capillary tubes.
Preliminary decontamination, ensuring the outer cuticle is clean before the extraction strike begins. Harvest motion, navigating the flow of tradition.
The fiber reveal, breaking the cellulose sheath to expose the sticky, translucent filaments inside. Kinetic coalescence, using manual friction to twist multiple microfibers into a single, unified thread. Organic bonding. The plant's own sap acts as a natural adhesive for the cellulose strands.
Fluid storage, maintaining the elasticity of the fiber before the primary spinning phase. The biosignature of labor.
Low RPM calibration, using a hand-cranked spindle to organize the irregular filaments into a uniform yarn.
Rotational accumulation. Harvest motion, driven by human torque. Biochemical scouring, removing impurities without damaging the delicate protein-cellulose hybrid.
Atmospheric stabilization, allowing the fiber to contract and set its final molecular structure.
The aesthetic of imperfection.
Structural tensioning, aligning 5,000 individual threads to form the foundation of the fabric. The projectile of craft.
The weaving strike. Every pass of the shuttle adds 0.2 millimeters to the sacred textile. Compression force. Manual density control for a breathable, high-durability weave. Full body mechanics. The loom and the human operating as a single biological machine.
Breathable engineering. Naturally self-cooling and moisture-wicking.
Botanical pigmentation. Adding color through osmotic absorption rather than chemical coating.
Manual infusion.
The weightless result. A fabric so light it defies the gravity of its own creation.
Harvest motion. Excellence woven by hand.
The cycle's end. Zero waste integration.
Optical translucency. Natural hydrophobicity.
Quality calibration.
Inventory organization.
The topography of time.
Edge maintenance.
Harvest motion. Luxury in simplicity.
The color spectrum of the lake.
The liquid gold.
Final assembly.
Tensile stress analysis.
This is the best part of the day.
Absolutely, these seeds are delicious.
Pass that basket over here, will you?
Low-tech reliability.
The mark of the origin.
Harvest motion. Resonating tradition.
Thermal cleansing.
Precision spacing.
The floating laboratory. The geometry of nature.
Fine edge friction.
Manual packaging.
Artisanal documentation. Cellular architecture.
Harvest motion. Moving with the tide.
Pigment source.
The price of beauty.
The mirror of the loom.
Skill transmission. Skill transmission. Harmonic tension.
Manual fine-tuning.
High luster protein.
Harvest motion. Grounded excellence. The sea of green.
Lubrication control.
Micro-alignment.
Material resilience.
Structural security.
Kinetic momentum.
Harvest motion. Internal elegance.
Surface finishing. The source of the thread.
Aerodynamic cleaning.
Aromatic preservation.
Final trimming.
Symbolic identity.
The nature's rinse.
Harvest motion. Sustaining the artist.
High-value commerce.
Traditional valuation.
Chemical authentication.
Thermal diffusion.
Returning to the source.
The foot-powered engine.
Geometric regularity.
Light diffusion analysis. Harvest motion. Shading the laborer.
Preparation for dyeing.
The mark of the hand.
Raw material logistics. The human satisfaction. The friction of history.
Biological brilliance. Boundary control.
Harvest motion. Global heritage.
The ghostly return.
The microscopic miracle.
The Lotus Silk harvest. The sacred thread. Only on Harvest Motion.